WAzion, your co-pilot for WhatsApp Web. Hi there. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to install the WAzion extension in your Chrome browser. Don't worry, it's fast, simple, and completely free. Let's get started. Step 1. Click the link on screen or in the description to go directly to the official Chrome web store. Step 2. Once you're there, click the button that says Add to Chrome. Step 3. Accept the security warning by clicking Continue with installation. Step 4. Confirm the installation by clicking Add Extension. Step 5. To make it easier to access, pin the WAzion icon to the top bar. Click the puzzle icon in the top right, then click the pin icon next to WAzion's logo. Step 6. Enter your email and click Login or Register. From there, just follow the simple instructions to complete your free registration, and that's it. You've successfully installed the WAzion extension, and you're ready to take your WhatsApp customer support to the next level. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. WAzion, your smart co-pilot for WhatsApp and WhatsApp business.